And this is Srinivas, and he'll go through it. And this is, this tries to solve the problem of the difficulty people have in navigating on their mobile phones and discovering what they can do with that phone. So Srinivas will go into a little more detail.
So service discovery through recommendations, that is the theme of the last inch. So it has become a lot of difficulty for the user to discover the appropriate services, particularly with ever increasing number of applications on app stores. For example, on Apple App Store, they have 30,000 applications. On Android Marketplace, they have more than 5,000 applications. For a user like someone, average user, it's always difficult to find the appropriate service. So service discovery is very important from operator perspective to provide appropriate tools for the user so that they can get the service they want to. So we are addressing that issue through Lost Hinge. So what it does is basically it provides the service discovery not only on the app stores but also on user device. For example, people like us may have installed so many applications on our smartphones. For Google Android, the average user is downloading about 40 applications. It's always difficult for me to know like what are the applications I have on my device. So through Lost Hinge, we can discover the appropriate service based on your context, either on the App Store if you are looking for a new application to install, or the application on your device which you want to consume. So basically what we do is we provide various kind of recommendations. The recommendations include like local recommendations, for example, as you see on the screen, like local topic, local movies. So these recommendations based on the context, like what part of the day it is, which location he is in or she is in. So based on that, we provide appropriate suggestions, the recommendations. If user clicks local traffic on that one, so it will automatically takes to the service which is related to local traffic. And if you see like on the top one, like we have local traffic, local movies, and we also categorize different media recommendations like current stock quotes, financial news. And in the bottom, like we have like various promotionals or new services. So the idea is to provide the appropriate service based on the user context and help them to discover the service they want to. So I will show you some more things like basically like these suggestions will change, recommendations will change based on the time. As you see these below things like basically it's based on the time, like early morning the recommendations will be different, or late afternoon the recommendations will be different, or night recommendations will be different. So it's all about the day of the time and the prior usage of the services by a certain user, and as well as the other contextually relevant information. So let's say for example I click on the night, so I should get the recommendations for the night time like today. So I want to plan in advance to see like what I get. So if you see like it had changed local news and local dinner places, I want to plan for my dinner. So when I click on local dinner places, not only it provides the place where I can eat, but also it knows what kind of interest I have. Like I want to eat French food, so it will take like French restaurants directly. I don't have to type okay French restaurant. What else it can do is we also have an intelligence that is integrated with the entire device. Like for example, I have an appointment in San Jose late night, maybe around 9 o'clock. And here, when I click for local dinner places, not only it provides the dinner places, the location where I am, but also intended location. So in that way, like I will get a French restaurant in San Jose. So user don't have to do any kind of additional stuff. Otherwise, it will directly takes to what user intended. Also the locations, if you see at the bottom, like the services that I'm interested in may vary based on the location. At home, I may need some services. At work, I may need some other services. While commuting in a train or car, I may need different kind of services. So we'll provide the service discovery based on the user context. And also, basically, it converts the user downtime into productivity. For example, I'm coming from London and I'm in San Francisco International Airport, and my baggage is delayed. I'm going to get my baggage in 30 minutes. So what I can do? So if user launches